important breaking inputs coming in. We're given to understand that doctors have called off their protest after Supreme Court formed National Task Force. RML doctors have called off their protest in the Kolkata rape and murder horror. Remember, doctors not just demanding justice in this particular case, but also a safe and secure environment for them at the hospitals, their workplace. We have Akanksha joining us with more details. Akanksha, this breaking input related to the RML hospital, the doctors there have called off the protest?
Well, that's right. RML hospital doctors have called off the protest after the Supreme Court formed a national task force on the issue of the security of the doctors. Now, in fact, a statement, the RML doctors have said that this decision, in fact, has been taken by them after this order by the Supreme Court, and we are writing to formally inform you of the conclusion of our strike. So they have said that they have requested the resident doctors to resume services from 4 p.m. onwards. So this is as far as RML hospital in the national capital is concerned. As far as other association, including FEMA as well as FORDA, are concerned, they are currently holding discussions with their legal counsels and will then be revealing their plan as to what the future course of action is. But as far as the RML hospital, this is the first hospital, in fact, to call off the strike after this important hearing in the Supreme Court. Remember, the Supreme Court formed a national task force to address this concern over the safety of the doctors, and a lot of other association, resident doctor association, FEMA, FORDA, all of these are currently holding discussion amongst each other and also with their legal counsel, which represented them in the court today. And after that, they will reveal their plan. And it is hopeful now what we're getting to know through our sources that FEMA will likely also call up the protest, but it remains to be seen what decision is taken by them after their meeting with the legal counsel.
All right, Akanksha, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for updates. For the moment, a quick break.